Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this 2019 68 registered Volvo XC60. This is the 2-litre D4 Monumentum Pro 8-speed auto, all-wheel drive. It's one former keeper car from new. Current recorded mileage 50,858. Car's in stunning conditions, I hope you can see. Beautiful car called Mussel Blue. Excellent service history. We have 3 services in total. Most recent service was carried out in August 22 at 50,000 miles. Service schedule is annually or every 18,000 miles. MOT expires on the 17th of August 2023. And there were no advisories. We have Falcon tyres on the front, nearly new at 7.6 and 7.7 millimetres. We have Michelin tyres on the rear, 2.7 and 2.5 millimetres. Fabulous engine, the D4 2-litre diesel, 190 brake horsepower. It is a Euro 6 engine, so it is ultra low emission zone exempt. Returns a combined 36.7 mpg according to Volvo. This particular car does come with a host of options. We have about 13 factory options over and above standard specification. We have detailed all of that in the adverts. The car does come with front and rear parking sensors, keyless entry, electric power tailgate which is foot operated. Also internally we have things like Apple CarPlay, electric seats, etc. But as I mentioned, we have listed everything inside the advert to hopefully give you all the information that you need. Inside we have the beautiful contrasting leather. It's called blonde leather, light grey, very, very clean. This also comes with the internal booster seats for child, as you can see, which are all part of the Volvo system, which simply just push back into the seat very simply. Fantastic interior cabin on this car. Comes with front and rear electric windows. You've got electric power fold mirrors. Multifunctional steering wheel. Does come with automatic headlights and auto wipers. Safety features wise, you've got a host of features. You've got blind spot illumination, lane assist, cross traffic alert. Over to the media system, it's a large touchscreen system, satellite navigation as you would imagine, Bluetooth telephone, you can stream music via Bluetooth, so you can have things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so then you've got access to Google Maps. Also there is a twin USB connection, heated front seats as well as heated steering wheel, so 8-speed auto gearbox. You can change the various driver modes for different terrains. Also you have the electric park brake as well as auto hold. This fabulous condition, one former keeper Volvo XC60 is declared as Motor Check Provenance Clear. Car will be supplied with 2 remote central locking keys. We do have a full handbook for the car. We've got the service history. Car also does come with a space saver spare wheel. All the tools and locking wheel nut is present. For further information, I urge you just to go to our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can read a full vehicle description, view the extensive photography along with our walk around video, see all of our warranty information. You can use our interactive finance calculator. We also have independent customer reviews, also as well as being able to read all of the paperwork we hold for the car in PDF form as well. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at Berkshire Used Cars.